What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we got an unboxing and review of the Dodocool USB-C hub. And yeah, let's get right into it. So for the unboxing here, guys, got Dodocool box. Now I picked this guy up on Amazon for $38 Canadian, and I'll leave my link in the description below if you guys want to pick this up. Here's the back of the box. It's It's a 7-in-1 USB-C hub, and I'll show you guys the ports in a bit. So this nice cardboard box, and if we just open the top here, with the USB-C hub, inside this little plastic bag here. So you just take it out, needed the USB-C hub, and you know it's nice brushed aluminum, so it feels nice. With the ports, you can see 3 USBs right here. You have an HDMI, and you got a micro SD card, and a USB-C with power delivery, so you can charge your computer if, let's say, you're using an old MacBook and you only have one USB-C port, USB-C port. And so the rest of the box, you got the warranty registration card right here, so you can register it for warranty, and 30-day money back guarantee. Back of the card right there. And then you got your instructions. So yeah, that's the box. So nowadays USB-C laptops can kind of be a pain, you know. For example, this MacBook Air here. See, the only 2 ports it has is USB-C. So let's say if I want to use my mouse, for example, I can't because it's USB. And you see, I don't know if many mouses have USB-C, but all the wireless mouses that I know have USB, so I can't use it. Let's say if I want to plug in my keyboard to my monitor, I can't do anything. But with this USB-C hub, you just plug it in, plug this bad boy in right here, and then boom, you got full connectivity. And so just a quick overview of the ports here. So you got 3 USB 3.0 ports. So it's not limited to anything. They're USB 3.0, so it's good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you got an HDMI port here. So this is good for 4K HDMI at 30 Hz and at 60 Hz. So it's pretty good. USB-C hubs have gotten much cheaper than in the past. So this is only $38. Like I said, I'll leave my link in the description. Got a USB-C port here with power delivery. And this is a Thunderbolt 3 port. So basically you can charge your computer, just so if you put in the charging cable right in here, you don't have to put it in your other USB-C port. And then you have micro SD and regular SD. And it's nice brushed aluminum, and as you can see, it matches the color of the So overall, I think this is one of the best USB-C hubs that you can get, especially for the price range. And not only does it work with a computer, it can work with like an iPad if you have USB-C, or any other USB-C tablets that support like accessories and stuff like that. And of course, it's not limited to like Macs. You can use it on a Windows computer that has USB-C, anything. It's made to look the same color as a Mac. But yeah, I think it's one of the best USB-C hubs, and I definitely recommend buying it if you're looking for one. And I'll leave a link in the description below to Amazon. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.